guys, welcome to my channel Arpita AFK, and today we are going to make a crown using these floral papers, and hope you subscribe to my channel. And I'm telling you, this is super easy and super fun, and I'm making it for my birthday party soon. So first of all, I got this square size paper. See, if you see, I got different papers because I liked it to be colorful. They all are square sized, and make a fold in between first, and then you see there's a fold in between. Then first fold on the right side of it, half fold. Yeah, and then press, make it more prominent, make the fold stay for longer. Then make on the left side fold just like you did on the right side, and make it stay longer there. Yes, just like that. And here, this is my first project, first time doing this, so I'm a little bit struggling on doing that, but yeah, I made it like I did on both sides, and make it like more prominent on both sides, make it stay so it doesn't come out. Then make a small bend, small fold from the below, and it should look something like this. Then fold again, put the fold again from the below, it should look something like this. And then make it, press on all the sides, press on all the sides and see if it's coming properly, and make another fold from below. Yes, something like this. Yeah, and then this will be the inside side, this will be the outside side. So press, so it will be like a round shape. So I'm pressing and keeping it aside, and doing this for my other ones, the same procedure in a fast forward mode. You can see I'm doing it for all the colors I chose. And right now I have taken like 6 papers of the square size papers. If you like, you can take more. It depends on the how big you want or how good you want. Usually for me, my head is little smaller, I guess, so I took 6 and it fits me perfectly. So this is all the 6 paper I made. And now I just have to put one inside another, something like this. Yes, and it goes perfectly. You don't need any glue or any binding agent in this one. And then keep doing it one by one. Sometimes it's a struggle for first time. You have to put it in, put one fold inside the another fold of the paper. So I chose to like select like the pink ones on together and the purple ones together, one flowery one and the plain one. So yeah, it goes something like that. And for this one I was struggling because I realized the one is like the flowery purple one become little bigger to go inside, but I have fixed that later. But go on, do one by one and make it like a round shape. Like first make it stable, yeah, and keep pressing and make it more like it stays for longer, not longer, like stays forever. And then you see I made a crown, but it's coming out. Well, never mind, we fixed it later and we made the crown more like a crown in a round shape. We fixed all the sides which it was coming out. So now this is, it broke again, but I swear I fixed it, and it's like it's not coming out without any glue. It took me a little bit of fixing the folds here and there, but this is what it is. Okay, so now fixing all the sides, checking the how it looks, stability of it, and if you can wear it for longer. And just press on all the sides, make the folds more stable so it stays longer. Even if you wear it doesn't come out, so something like this. Keep rotating and fix all the folds from all the side. And then at the end you get to wear it, and this is something it looks fun. You can make it with different paper, with different colors, And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it. I love to do the art and craft work whenever I'm free, and this is what makes me happy. So have a nice day guys. Bye bye.